Hey, hey! Welcome to Say It in Chichewa. Today's lesson will be all about days of the week, months, and everything related to time. The current youth generation in Malawi commonly uses the English days of the week and months in their daily conversations. That makes it easy for a non-Chichewa speaker. However, to help you fit in with the old school generation, here are the Chichewa days of the week and months, which are also used in formal and local communication channels. If you watched our recent counting numbers in Chichewa video, you will understand the days follow the same pattern of numbering except Monday and Friday. If you haven't watched the video yet, find it in the description below so that you don't get left out. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video to hear some funny truth about Malawians you probably didn't know. Let's begin. Tiambepo. Monday. Lolemba. Lolemba. Tuesday. Lachiwiri. Lachiwiri. Wednesday. Lachitatu. Lachitatu. Thursday. Lachinayi. Lachinayi. Friday. Lachisanu. Lachisanu. Saturday. Loweluka. Loweluka. Sunday. Lamulungu. Lamulungu. With a little bit of practice, you will learn this in no time. For our next segment in this lesson, we are going to share with you some words related to time that could be very useful in your everyday conversations. Tiambepo. Time. Ntawi. Ntawi. Late. Chedwa. Chedwa. Now. Pano. Pano. Soon. Pompano. Pompano. Or posachedwa. Posachedwa. Today. Lero. Lero. Tomorrow. Mawa. Mawa. The day after tomorrow. Mkucha. Mkucha. Morning. Mawa. Mawa. Afternoon. Masana. Masana. Evening. Madzulo. Madzulo. Yesterday. Dzulo. Dzulo. At night. Usiku. Usiku. In the future. Mtsogoro. Mtsogoro. At dawn. Mbandakucha. Mbandakucha. Day. Tsiku. Tsiku. Every day. Tsiku lililonse. Tsiku lililonse. Days. Masiku. Masiku. Past days. Masiku ambuyo. Masiku ambuyo. Or masiku adutsa. Masiku adutsa. For example, Lachitatu. I will go on Monday evening. Ndipita Lolemba madzulo. Ndipita Lolemba madzulo. They will plant beans on Tuesday at dawn. Adzadzala nyemba Lachiwiri mbandakucha. adzadzala nyemba Lachiwiri mbandakucha. Many shops don't open on Sundays. Masitolo ambiri samatsekula Lamulungu. Masitolo ambiri samatsekula Lamulungu. Yesterday evening I arrived late. Dzulo madzulo ndinafika mochedwa. Dzulo madzulo ndinafika mochedwa. Soon we are leaving for Easter holiday. Posachedwa tipita kuchuti cha Pasaka. Posachedwa tipita kuchuti cha Pasaka. Let's finish this video with a quick lesson about calendar months. Chichewa months are the simplest because they are borrowed from the English ones, which are an adaptation of the Roman calendar. However, the Malawian months have a slight variation to suit the Chichewa language, which gives emphasis to each particular word. January, January, January. February, February, February. March, Marichi, Marichi. April, Epuro, Epuro. May, May, May. June, June, June. July, July, July. August, Augusty, Augusty. September, Septembala, Septembala. October, Octobala, Octobala. November, Novembala, Novembala. December, Decembala, Decembala. If you pay close attention, you will find out that most Malawians have problems with L's and R's, so you will barely hear most of the R's in their spoken language. Hope you find this video helpful in your Chichewa learning journey. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Zikomo kwambiri. We appreciate tatokoza.